Use the air fryer today, make some chicken tenders in it. I am super excited. This is the attachment lid for the Instant Pot that air fries, and it's really good. You can air fry, broil, bake, roast, reheat, dehydrate in it, so it's really awesome. And here's the Instant. And then this is the thing you fry in, or whatever setting you're gonna use on here. So yeah, you guys, we have like almost ate all these donuts. They're like almost gone. Both boxes. This box is already empty.
The chocolate's good.
Terrible.
The size is good if you just want like a small little treat after a long.
So chicken tenders are sliced. This is the flour mixture I made for breading. I also added some herbs and Parmesan cheese in here at the end, and then the egg wash. You can say hi. Now get out of the kitchen. Alright guys, so it's been 6 minutes. It's time to turn the tenders. So you can see this is what they look like on the opposite side. Now I'm going to take the tongs this time and turn them. But yeah, you just want to give them a turn. Just like that, and then they'll go again. Alright guys, here's how the tenders came out. I put a little Parmesan cheese on them, put them in the oven, and they're nice and golden. They just started playing something, way back, and I like that. I love the services, but they like that, Yeah, I love it. I said, the kids now.